Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review. This is your host Steve, and this is a repost of a previous review that I did back in 2013 for the Moebius models Battlestar Galactica, Battlestar Pegasus. Now this is kit number 931, and the scale of it is 1:4105. You can find a complete review of this model kit on cybermodeler.com. I put a link in the description below. Anyways, you can see the box is very colorful, very large box, holding all the parts that are within this model kit itself. Michael Benolkin did a great review, and check that out. This originally was reviewed back in August of 2013, and that's when I filmed this video, so I apologize for the quality of the video. I hope my video quality has improved since then. Here's the back of the box, and it does give us some color photographs of the built model itself. And yes, I did like this model, so I did a complete build series for this model, and you can find the playlist in the description below. So I am basically reposting this video because I had to remove some copyright music, some Battlestar Galactica copyright music that was put on this, and they finally hit me on that, so this is why I'm reviewing this. Now here's the kit instructions. They are in black and white, which to me is very disappointing. Most of the time the Moebius kits, they give you colored instructions. These are the decals that did come with the kit, water slide type decals, and they're very basic for the landing bays, and of course the emblems for Battlestar Colonial Fleet. And once again, showing you the instructions, shows you the color callouts. Everything of course is in black and white. Once again, they could have given us some color with these instructions, but they did not. And you can see the box here is just full of plastic, lots of plastic. It's a very heavy box, very surprisingly. And you can see a close-up of the nose section for the Galactica. And what I did is I actually took and I put some fiber optics and LED lights for that trench there. The lighting turned out really good on this. There took quite a bit of light blocking going on here to make everything turn out right. You can see you have plenty of room inside to light it up. You'll have to remove some of those inserts because they kind of get in the way. Here's the landing bays, and very detailed there on the landing bays. Very basic, you know, not a whole lot showing here on the outside, but you can see the famous Pegasus is already provided for you on the side of the landing bay. Once again, if you want to install the photo etch from Paragraphics, you'll have to remove those tabs on the inside of the landing bay. And Paragraphics, and also there are some landing bay decals that are available separately that you can find for this. But this shows you all the details on the inside. A lot of it's not even seen, that's why there's no detail there. It's all sandwiched in between the nose, cone, the front pieces. And of course this is the stock base that they give you, which I feel is too small for this kit, and you might want to support that on a block of wood. But once again, we have more parts of the landing bays and such, and the engine details in the back. But here's more details and more cutout details that are on the main body. Shows you that there. Very detailed here, so you can actually detail out those. You can put a nice wash in there to make these really stand out. And this is once again the bottom of the nose section, very detailed there too. And you can see where those cutouts insert into those, but once again there's plenty of room for LED lighting inside. And the main body, there, you'll have to decide where you want to drill a hole to put your stand on through, but you can see a lot of detail there. A lot of stuff can happen here. A lot of washes, dry brushing, and all that can happen. You know, the colors you choose are basically up to you. But here's the other side of the main body there too. Plenty of room to run your wiring and your lights. I ran LEDs in this with a lot of fiber optics. So it was fun to build. I did have to cut off a lot of those alignment tabs, those large tabs, because they got in the way. And here are the engines. And there's basically 4 trees of these engines, so there's a lot of repetition here when it comes to building these engines. But in order to light them up, I did have to cut away a lot of the alignment tabs that are on the inside. And you'll see that in my video. If you watch my video, you'll see everything that I did for this kit and what I did to modify it. So it was a lot of fun to build. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this review. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for all video upload notifications. Thanks to Mike over Cyber Modeler for the review sample, and also Moebius Models who provided the model to Mike. With that, I wish everybody happy modeling and take care.